Hey there, homeowners. Today, I'm diving into the world of boilers. Whether you're renovating your home or just curious about your heating system, understanding the different types of boilers can be a game changer. Trust me, it's more interesting than it sounds. First up, we have the Combi boiler. Combi stands for combination, and it does exactly that. It combines both central heating and hot water in one compact unit. No need for a separate hot water cylinder or cold water tank. It's space-saving and efficient, perfect for smaller homes or flats. But remember, if you have high hot water demand, it might struggle to keep up. Next, we have the system boiler. These guys are a bit more sophisticated. They need a hot water cylinder but no cold water tank. The key advantage, they provide a constant supply of hot water to multiple taps at once. So if you've got a busy household with several bathrooms, a system boiler could be your best friend. Just make sure you've got space for that cylinder. Then, there's the conventional boiler, also known as a regular or heat-only boiler. It's the granddaddy of boilers and has been around for ages. It requires both a hot water cylinder and a cold water tank, usually stored in the loft. Yes, it takes up more space, but it's super reliable and can handle high hot water demands. If you're in an older property with an existing setup, a conventional boiler might be the easiest option. Now let's talk about biomass boilers. These are eco-friendly options that run on organic materials like wood pellets or chips. They can reduce your carbon footprint and might even save you money in the long run. But they do need more space for fuel storage and regular maintenance. If you're big on sustainability, it's definitely worth considering. Lastly, we have electric boilers. They're compact, efficient, and easy to install. Perfect for homes without a gas supply. However, electricity can be more expensive than gas, so keep that in mind. It's a good option for smaller homes or as a backup system. So, to recap, you've got the Combi boiler for space-saving convenience, the system boiler for busy households, the conventional boiler for reliability, the biomass boiler for eco-friendliness, and the electric boiler for simplicity. Each type has its pros and cons. So think about your home's needs and space before making a decision. And remember, always consult a professional to find the best boiler for your home. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.